Hello guys, Priscilla here. I'm gonna talk about my project Gears Garage. So the project overview. The project consists in a web page for Gears Garage with the system. It will be implemented a small car parts store. And the language I choose is Python, and I'm using the web framework Django. Also HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Talking about the project details, I have done in the chapter 1 with the introduction, which includes the planning, the definition of the development methodologies. I'm using the Agile and Waterfall methodologies. Also, I have the scope of the project and the Gantt chart done. But actually, the Gantt chart I'm gonna change because I planned one thing, and while I'm coding and I'm doing the project, I saw that I will need to change a little bit. But yes, this part is done. The chapter 1 is the database. I have done the diagrams, the data insertion, and the implementation all through the Django. The chapter 3, I built the packages according to the pattern MVT, Mojo, View, and Templates. And the chapter 4 for front end. I started code my HTML page, and I also include the CSS. And I'm doing my index page, so this page will appear in all of the other pages. And I'm worried about just coding this part, because I know for the other pages I will just copy and paste, will be easier for me, but for now I need to figure out everything for this index page. I also did some appendix with some code screenshots as Python. Even though I knew Python, I'm not used to coding Python, so I'm showing these screenshots, the installation of Django, how it works, and the codes in my PyCharm and Django. I'm already doing the reference, everything that I'm researching, I'm putting the references, and the reporting is being built simultaneously with coding part. So I'm coding and I'm doing the reporting at the same time, for just making sure make sure that I won't forget to mention something that is important. The next steps is finish the chapter 3, which is the back end. So I need to create the methods and testing the code, so this is the most difficult part for me. Then the chapter 4 is the front end. It's keep coding all the website. Also consume some APIs. I would like to figure out how to include payment process. I already researched about it. Chapter 5 is merging the website with the system, the front end with back end. This part will be tricky. I'm trying to figure out too, but I think I'm gonna use Django anyway for everything, as I'm already doing my back end and my front end in Django. I just don't know how I'm gonna connect them, but everything's inside this work framework, this framework. Yeah, then I'm gonna test my codes and debugging and implement with some improvements for the project. So this is what I'm planning to do. This part for coding is the most difficult for me. yeah, and this is it. Thank you very much.